I'm Russell, belonging to Chittagong. Actually, I've been suffering from my hair loss from my adolescent period when I was 18. So actually, that time I was so young. That time there was not available a surgery advanced clinic in Bangladesh. I've been living in China for 4 years. So actually, I was trying to do my hair implant from my 4 years ago when I was in China. I found some advanced clinic in China though, but their price is really unreasonable, which was beyond me. So instead, I was looking for some YouTube channels. Even fortunately, I found a Neuro hair clinic along with others. So I compared among them, and I saw their patients' views on YouTube. So from my curiosity, I visited to Neuros around 7 months ago. So I talked to doctor. So I found confident then. So even after doing more research on YouTube, taking more patients' view, so I decided to do my hair transplant in Neuros because I found everything is positive, including cost is most effective. Even though I found another one which cost is a little bit more in Bangladesh, so overall, from every point of view, I found that Neuros is the best in Bangladesh. That's why I've come here. So I'm requesting you guys to visit Neuros one day and do more research and try to explain your problems to doctors. Even if you have any just financial problems, try to negotiate with doctors. I guess the cost is cost effective. It's average in Bangladesh, so it's at our hand. So I'm also a student, so if I could do, I hope you guys could do as well. So that's all about me. I thank you so much. Bye. All the best.